Hello guys, this is Anisha Pesani. I'm back with a new video. You must be wondering, am I up with something related to makeup or hair? No, this time I am up with something different. I got a lot of DMs about your questions, that what I have done, what I'm from, so which field I have decided. So for that I have made a separate video for you guys. I'm about to answer all the questions. I've covered almost all the questions regarding your health. So for that you have to continue watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. So let's get into the video. So here are some of the questions you have been asking about. I am trying to cover everything related to my professional life. So if I left anything which you need help from, so please let me know in the comment box. I will answer there for sure. You can even DM me on my personal account, that is Hanisha D Peswani. I will definitely reply you. So let's start. The first question is, in which standard I am. I have just completed my graduation last year. I know I don't look that much old, but yeah, I have. What's my age? I'm 21. Some of you guys even have asked me about my hair mask, that can boys also apply that. Yeah, I have experimented that on my brother and that is very helpful. So you can feel free to use it, nothing to be worried about. Even someone asked me that if I don't have to use milk or egg in anything, so what should I use on my hair? You can use almond oil, vitamin E capsules, mix it well with castor oil, because castor oil has a very thick consistency which is very hard to apply, and this is very sticky, so that doesn't remove from your scalp easily. So use some almond oil, and vitamin E capsules are very good for even your skin. So the fourth question is, what I have done as in studies. I completed my graduation in commerce. Actually I was about to leave my studies when I completed HSC exams, but my parents got an ultimatum that I have to do graduation by hook or by crook. So I have done it, but with that I have done fashion designing, advanced fashion designing, and as well as styling, because I was more into styling. I don't know how to stitch, so for the basic knowledge I have to do that. So I completed that. Even my result got affected, but that wasn't a big issue. I just wanted to have a degree of graduation, which I actually got. But yeah, I did a very fantastic job in doing fashion designing and styling. My parents were proud of that for sure. Why did I choose fashion designing and styling? Once I was randomly watching TV when I was in 8th standard, and I saw Manish Malhotra sir's show, which was an inspiration. He is my first and last inspiration for getting into fashion field. So that when I saw him doing these works, I actually got interested in knowing more about him, and then I decided that yes, I want to be in that field. Why did I choose YouTube? No doubt YouTube is actually a very big platform to showcase your talent, to let your knowledge spread all over. I did so much, but I didn't got that much of time in lockdown to do experiment on people or even on myself. So I decided to start a YouTube channel in which I can help people out who are interested in that, so they can get some of the knowledge. Because of some technical issues I have to just shift from my room to my dining area. So let's continue. What resembles my third finger tattoo? My third finger tattoo resembles about no matter how many obstacles you get in your life, you just have to go with the flow. It is actually an aqua tattoo. Now no matter how bad the roads get, you have to reach your destination. So the 8th question was, how long did I started to join in my career? It's been around 2 years. Seriously, I have been working on myself. My family is very supportive. They used to give me their hairs to cut color and all. So they were always a motivation. So the ninth question is, what's the scope in this field? There's a vast scope in this field. You have to be creative. You just have to do practice on yourself. You have to do a lot of hard work. Patience is must. You have to go in a positive manner. You just have to showcase yourself in a manner that someone looking at you should admire you the way you are. Not only your outer beauty, you just have to be like no, this is the thing I can carry the best. So you just have to wear whatever you want to, just be according to that. If you're wearing something very bright, your makeup should be light. If you are doing a bright makeup, your clothes should be like कैसे थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए, बिकॉज दोनों अगर ज़्यादा होंगे तो इट विल बी अ वेरी वाइब्रेंट इफेक्ट ऑन समवन. सो डोंट गो फॉर दैट. Who supported me the most? The last question. The one who loves me the most, my mom. Even my dad supported me. He was my backbone. He never expressed much, but yeah, he was always like, you have to do it, nothing is more, you have to go on working on yourself, on everything. But yeah, my mom was always around. Whenever I was doing my assignments, my projects on anything, she was always around me, holding a cup of tea or coffee to encourage me. She was always like, yeah, you are doing very great, go on, you will do better, you will do best. But when I started my YouTube channel, I can never imagine my brother and my sister supported me a lot. I didn't knew that they will, but yeah, they used to tell me that, oh yeah, you are going good, but these things are not right, you should not do this, these are your mistakes. My sister was always there to encourage me. Yeah, sometimes I was feeling very low that how will people react on my videos and all, but she never failed to do that. Yeah, you are doing great, just go on, don't stop. Yeah, sometimes I'm actually not very on camera person, so I was feeling low. I actually take a lot of times, but still she supported me a lot. My friends, oh, they are the best. Even they supported me. They actually tell me that, honey, you can do on these things, honey, you are good at these things, try doing that, you are good in styling, you are good with your hair, you should try doing that. So but that's it. I'm really blessed. They all are my strength at last. Thank you everyone for your support as well. Do like. Thank you.